Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back. In my video today we still discuss about phonetic symbol, but now I'm going to tell you about pop sound. Pop sound is same as consonant. There are two sections, and the first is voiceless and the second is voiced. But just four phonetic symbol from voiceless, those are p, k, t, ch, and four phonetic symbol also from voiced, those are b, d, g, j. Definition of pop sound is pop it's mean letupan and sound it's mean bunyi. Jadi pop sound adalah suatu bunyi letupan dalam suatu kata. And there are two sections. Those are voiceless. Voiceless it's mean letupan yang berat, and voiced adalah letupan yang ringan atau yang kalem. Voiceless are p, k, t, ch. P, k, t, ch. For example is people, p, p, and the second is k. For example car. Jadi ada letupannya k, p, p. Begitupun t, and ch, t and ch, t. It's for example from t is time, and ch is chair. Jadi letupannya itu benar-benar ch, t, p, k. Jadi itu benar-benar ditonjolin banget. And the next one is voiced. From voiced are b, d, g, j. Ini letupan ringan, jadi biasa aja. B, g, d, j. B, g, d, j. For example, b, big. D, dog. Food. G, bag. And last j, major, j. And j in phonetic symbol is usual in biasanya itu adanya di huruf digabungan antara huruf G sama E, yang berakhiran huruf G sama E, or just G letter in alphabets. That's we pronounce that j. I think just all for me. Thank you for your nice attention. Thanks for watching this video. I apologize for my mistake. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.